Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new project and importing clips. Tap plus and pick your aspect ratio to match delivery. Once done, import from Photos, Files, or iCloud and select multiple clips to speed timeline building. Make sure to enable background render and proxy media for smoother playback when working with 4K or high frame rate footage. This reduces stutter and keeps your edits responsive. You'll see clips appear in the browser. Drag the first clip onto the timeline to start shaping your edit immediately. You now refine clips. Scrub to the frame you want, then drag clip edges to trim or tap split to cut. This gives precise in-out points. Once arranged, use speed adjustments, stabilization, and the color correction panel to fix exposure and create a consistent look. Make compound clips for complex sections to keep the timeline tidy, then add transitions and titles. Use keyframes for animated position, scale, or opacity. Be intentional with timing. Small trims change rhythm, so play back often to judge pacing. You finish by exporting. Tap Share, choose Resolution and Codec, then save to Photos or Files. Select HEVC for efficiency or H.264 for compatibility. Make backups to iCloud or export project XML if you'll continue on a Mac. If you hit problems, try one key troubleshooting step first. Clear cache and rebuild proxies, because corrupted proxies often cause lag. If that fails, force quit and restart the app, and only then reinstall. Keep a manual backup to avoid data loss and preserve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.